Pavement ends where? Where? Don't say that. It's too soon now, Junior. Whoa, we're going off-road already. White Sands National Park, a good way to start the morning. Located just about 45 minutes east of Las Cruces, New Mexico. There's also a really good, the best road in New Mexico road called the Sunspot Scenic Byway, which is just about 45 minutes east of here. I can put some information down for that. This is sweet. I wonder what's causing all this sand to be so white. Whoa, this is majestic. I did get some drone shots a minute ago, so let's see how that works out. I got my Insta360 Ace Pro chest camera here, and I got my Insta360 One X2 on the rear. We'll give you as many views as possible here. First 5 miles, it's a 8 mile each way, 16-mile loop. First 5 miles is paved, and the next 3 is sandy. So let's go see how this bike, the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe, fares on the soft white sand. I want to ride like an old grandma when we get there, because I don't want baby to be hurt. But take a look at this. Oh, hell yeah. I'll do a ride on the way back where I'm not talking, so you can just enjoy the scenery without my terrible voice in your ear. Oh, I like this though. Freaking amazing, actually. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, I like this. Reduce speedo. Let's see. Keep it in third. Yo, this is awesome. 25. Oh, it got me talking like a little girl. This road's got me talking. It's a good thing. It's the best. I'm gonna enhance this. Take you with me here. Let's see the road. Ah, yeah. Swervy, that's my sign. Pavement ends where? Where? Don't say that. It's too soon now, Junior. Whoa, we're going off-road already. We're dropping it down a gear. Let's see what this soft sand's all about. Whoa, I'm gonna drive like a grandma here. Driving on sand, it says watch out. Ah! 25 limit. Let's go! Oh, this is good. What? I thought they said 5 miles, whatever. Dude, this is awesome. I'm in the freaking white sands of the Sahara over here. Whoa, we're getting a little washboardy. You gotta take it slow in some areas here. Whoa, sir. Whoa, find some grip. It's gonna get real boring for a minute. I'm gonna need to flip it in a minute because this is actually really icy and not that fun. Oh no, not fun at all. I feel that back tire slipping and sliding. Hold on, we got it's gonna be less washboardy in about 2 seconds. Ooh, there, a little better. A little better, not bad. Don't panic, just go slow. Dude, this is awesome. Whoa, bumpy. Bumpy indeed. Whoa, bumpy. Oh, get some of that. We got hot chicks surfing. Let's go, sand surfing chicks. I should pull over and help them. No driving off-road. Well, this view is gonna be of us in this van for a minute.
Oh shit, let me go slower, and then we're gonna have to touch the sands.
The signs leaning. I'm leaning. Yeah, right. This is not bad right now. Not to jinx myself. It's that washboardy. It's when it's like a thin layer that goes everywhere. That's when it's no fun. It was nice for a minute. That paved area was real nice. Oh, I see duners. People do a lot of duning out here. I can imagine why. Well, we'll rip on it a little bit here. Second gear all day. This road would be great if there was no freaking sand all there. I guess it is what it is. It's called white sands. Alright. If there's no sand, it wouldn't live up to its name. Sunday. Whoa, get to the right, you idiot. I'm going to pull in here and get some pictures. Take a look at this beautiful view here. We got the white sands, the mountains, Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe, my beautiful face. Take a look at this. Endless amounts of sand. Look at this. It's good stuff. Fun to look at, terrible to ride on. But let's keep going. Let's go. Oh, good. Paved well. This place is so funny. It's like surfers everywhere. This is cool. I give them that much. Terrible riding road, but beautiful scenery. Can't complain. Not at all. Oh, whoa, getting a little sandy over here. Sandy up north here. Oh, a little washy. Washy. Whoa, bumpy deska. I'm not, as you can see, an off-road rider. Nor am I in any rush. We're almost out of here. Bumpy. This is awesome. I wonder what this place looks like after it rains. Is the sand all like dark? Who knows? Alkali flat trail. Maybe that has to do something about the sand. Alkaline. I don't know. It's over my head and around the corner. Geology, astronomy, and all the rest of the arts of the world. Sciences. Whoa, Sunday. Choose a lane. At least there's not rocks everywhere. It's like just a little sand. It's when it's the washboard, you know, when it's all soft sand. That's when it's no bueno. This stuff's pretty good. I'm sure I could rip it faster, but I'm an old grandma. Oh, little Sunday. Very cool. White Sands horse trailer unloading. You got the horses over here? That would be fun to ride a horse out here. Feel like, whoa. Feel like I'm in, The Mummy. Remember those guys riding in the desert? The Magi? The Magi! I feel like I'm the Magi right now. The guy from Deuce Bigelow. Antoine. Antoine LeCount. Women pay him to give them pleasure. They have a lot of facilities out here. The one at the main visitor center was closed. I was like, what the hell? I gotta piss. I've been holding it. I can write my name in the sand if I felt so inclined, but I don't want to defile this beautiful, beautiful place. So I'll hold it. No harm, no foul. It's a freaking gorgeous day in February. This is the time to come. It's like 80 degrees. 85. It's actually pretty warm. Yesterday, heading up in elevation, it was like freaking, we were like 9,000 feet or something like that. It got cold quick. Luckily I had my heated gloves and heated vest. This guy better go, thank you. I'm gonna be going slow as fluke. Maybe I'll put this on fast forward, that's a good idea. 2x speed. Look like I'm flying through the white. Through the white! Buttholes clenched. Oh, getting a little thicker up here. Oh, hold on to your butts. I'm taking these turns at vertical 100%. Vertical 100%. Great views, bad riding. If I had a off-road dual sport, I'd be a freaking hero over here. They would call me the hero of the White Sands. That was my title. Wesley, the hero of the White Sands. Wesley White Sands Hero. That shall be my new title. White Sands Hero, Wesley the Destroyer of Worlds. I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's what a nice scenic road will do to you. You just start blabbering because you're having such a good time. That's it. I recommend checking it out, regardless if you're riding. If you want a nice drive, shoot. I feel like going sand surfing. Whoa, some washboard there. Tail's kicking. Tail's kicking a little bit. Sand up my nose. Can feel it. I got my visor up. Ah, bumpy deska. Ah, get some. Getting washboardy up there. Let's see. I might slow it down in a minute. I'm already going slow as fook. Ah, get some. Ah-ha. I just cleaned the bike this morning because it was dusty. Oh, here's the washboard. Down to first. You motherfucker. Find a lane. Take it 1 mile an hour. Ah, bumpy. Hold it together, you idiot. Ah. Find a lane. I'm just riding in someone's tire marks. Oh, bumpy. Oh, bumpy. Ah. Oh, that was good. Whoa, whoa, tail's losing it. We're almost through it all. Ah. Thank you. I was waiting for that guy to do that. We're almost through it. Oh, testing my suspension. Wait. Yes. Bravo. Bravo, Kawasaki. Well, I didn't see any other riders out here. I don't think they're dumb enough. That's alright. Wait, there's almost some good roads once the sand. Wait. Yes. Yes, give it to me. No. Why is the other side clear and my side sucks? Hold on. Starting to get there. Confidence rising. Hold on. We're almost through it. Visor's going down. This is even worse. It's like a little layer of sand over. We're in third for the first time in a while. We're almost through it. Come on. Interdune Boardwalk is closed. This part's real nice. It's a nice intro and a nice outro. Dude, don't. Why is it so white on my side? It's like causing me to doubt myself. Not doubt myself, doubt the tires. Wait, we're almost through it. Come on, why is my side so sandy? Hold on, I think we're through it. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, some sandiness. Little outro treat. Very, very nice.